Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Flippin Eric here. And after I show you that beautiful sunset, I'm going to give you the tip of the day. So this time of year, what you got is you got a lot of sidewalk sales going on. So what you're going to do is you're going to wait until everybody's loading all their crap up into their car. Okay? And I just happened to notice yesterday after I bought some Funkos at $5 a pop, I'm making about $20 profit per. I'm charging shipping on these. So I went back and I said how much for the rest of them. And you can see here I've got 210. I've got about 20 Funko Pops. Made a deal at $3 a piece because they don't want to put them in their car. They don't want to transport them, anything like that. So keep that in mind. And what else did I get? Where is it? Oh, I think it's on the front porch. A box of cassettes. Okay. Now, I know most of you think that cassettes are dead. It even came in an Eggo box. I'm going to pull this in here. So, cassettes aren't dead. People like the sound of cassettes. They just like that soft sound. But you're getting, Heart. You got some good stuff here. Jeff Healy, Don Edwards. So, I don't know how many are in here, but a lot of them are still wrapped in the cellophane. Okay, so you're probably looking at about 75 tapes, $3, because this guy does not want to look at those anymore. I'm a little sunburnt. I did some yard selling today. I haven't sourced in a while. I'm actually clearing things out. But that's my tip of the day. Go hit up some sidewalk sales, and as soon as they're loading up for the day or the weekend or whatever, make a deal. I'm telling you, you'll get it for at least 50% off. So take care and stay safe, guys. Much love. Peace out. Talk to you guys later.